To your next weather forecast, and we're pretty close to wrapping up one storm and then thinking about another.
That's right, so buckle up. That's why our chief meteorologist is here with all the information that you need to know looking ahead.
You're about 4 winters off with the feet up on the desk.
Right?
Over. That is over. All right, let's talk about this storm. And it was well behaved, at least. We had a pretty widespread 12 to 20 inches of snow, a few spots top 20, and exactly the area that we're thinking maybe we'd get some 2-foot amounts. And so, okay, we will take any wins that we can get. Boston is a chance to get into the top 10 here when it comes to all-time snowfalls in the city. Need 1 inch tonight. We've got that band coming east. It is possible. The number 1 spot is the President's Day storm and then the blizzard of 78, but people will certainly fight you. That 78 had more snow, and it did inland than the President's Day storm. All right, there's a look at the radar tonight, and this is the band that has to pivot through and make its way to the coast before we can say goodbye to this particular storm. It's coming down at a really good clip here around Worcester and right down 395 over through Auburn, Oxford. This is now just entering Northbridge, Westboro, snow-covered roads, some rough travel on 495. If you had to get outside and you can delay travel a little bit, probably a good idea. We also have that snow coming down steadily in Nashua and Hollis, Lowell area, Lawrence, Haverhill, where we had some big totals as well out of this storm. Back edge just starting to come through Athol and around Troy, New Hampshire. We also have a pulse of heavier snow that's been right up around Marblehead and Swampscott, now into Manchester by the Sea and up into the Gloucester area. Boston, the snow is starting to pick up a little bit more as well. So all this still has to pivot on through, and it's got a few hours to do so before we'll finally kick this one out to sea. Very memorable storm, I think, for a lot of people. Temperatures are in the teens. The Cape got over freezing today, the only spot, and most of us will not see freezing again for a week. Maybe next Monday is our next chance. And Miami looks nice right now at 79, but even there in Florida, they will get the Arctic air make its way south. So this is real deal winter this year, especially across the central and eastern United States. Out west, it's been a no-show. Looks like that'll continue. So if you're traveling for the Super Bowl, more warm and dry weather there, more likely. So there's a look at our hour by hour tonight, where we're looking at snow until 9 to 10 o'clock, and then it pivots offshore. We'll get some clearing after that. We do actually see some sunshine tomorrow morning. 1 to 3 inches of snow with this band is possible before we wrap it up. So one more cleaning happening tonight, one more shovel job out there, and then we'll see some starlight. Overnight lows will fall into the single digits as the skies clear late tonight. And tomorrow, not much in the melting department. Sunny start and then clouds will return. There is a chance for a scattered flurry or snow shower tomorrow afternoon. There you see the bright start to the day and then the clouds developing pretty gray and chilly during the afternoon. So it's going to be one of those stretches for us. Low 20s for most tomorrow. And we're going to kind of hover there for the rest of the week. On Wednesday, we're also low 20s, a little more sunshine there. Thursday, also low 20s, similar idea, some cold sun, maybe some settling of the snow at least. For the ski areas, they got it made. They're good. They're good through February at this point. We've got a pattern that will not provide any meltdowns, and you got a ton of snow. So a really good season for that here locally. As for that next storm, high pressure building on down. Again, more cold, more frigid air out of the Arctic. This one's going to have a lot of moisture from the Gulf with it. And what we know right now is that there will be a very powerful storm that develops here. This is going to be much stronger than the one we had last night, which means its ceiling is higher in terms of impacts. If it's closer, this one would certainly bring more of a risk of coastal flooding and wind damage and power outages, and maybe even similar snowfall. So it's a little early in the game. It's still Monday, but I want to make sure people are thinking about cleaning up things, making sure your vents are clear, trying to think about places you might put additional snowfall, and just staying up to date with the forecast over these next couple of days. Because if it takes that closer track, it's a really high impact storm. If it's a little farther south and east, maybe we just see some minor coastal flooding and winds, some snow, but not as big of a deal. And out to sea is still a possibility, although I will say tonight, my gut is that out to sea is probably not going to happen, but we'll see how things trend over the next few days. We do know the cold is certainly here, and it's here all week. It looks like a quiet Saturday. Storm timing at the moment looks like Saturday night into Sunday, if it is indeed a hit.
I was rooting for that green arrow.
I think everyone's kind of wishing for the green arrow. If everyone could just blow to the east, maybe we'll be okay.
Okay.
It's worth a shot at this point.
We got to time it out, that's all.
Yes, Eric, thank you.